Hi everyone, back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can animate text using keyframes on CapCut. So here I'm going to add the text first. And if you want to make the text move, you can easily use keyframes. So here I'm going to just write hello. And in here you need to go to the position and size sections on the text. I'm going to change the style first. Okay, so here I'm going to put the text in here, and to make it move you can just add keyframe on the position and rotate. I'm going to just add 2 keyframe like this. Then you can just move around the text to wherever you like. Okay, you need to move forward first. Sorry about that. Here I'm going to rotate and move the text. Move forward again, pause, then move the text again like this. Pause again. Okay, you can just repeat the steps until you are done with the animations, with the text animation. Okay, let's see the result first. So when you use the keyframes, now the text will move according to the movement set for using keyframes. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.